Want to fix NFL Sunday Ticket audio delay in YouTube TV when using a web browser? Here's how to do it. First, you want to refresh the page. If you're using YouTube TV on a web browser, then go ahead and refresh the page, or you can close and reopen the web browser. So go ahead and exit out of the browser, then open the app switcher and swipe the browser off of your screen. Next, you again want to launch open your preferred web browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome, then head over to tv.youtube.com, sign into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If it doesn't work, you can restart your device and check. For that, tap on the restart option, or you can also tap on the power off option. After some time again, turn your device on, open a web browser, head over to tv.youtube.com and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to check your internet connection. For that, head over to any internet speed checking website such as fast.com and check your internet speed. You will need at least 15 Mbps for HD or 25 Mbps for 4K. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, try switching to Ethernet for a direct connection. If the delay still occurs, you want to clear your browser's cache. For that, tap on the three dots, then select Delete Browsing Data. Now tap on Delete Data option. If you're using the YouTube TV app, you can clear cache of the YouTube TV app or reinstall the application. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.